Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we'll be looking at our mini magnetic Wi-Fi camera. Firstly, we'll have a look at what's in the box. First, you have the camera itself, nice small little device. You also get charging cable, the holder, and some sticky pads to place your holder on. Now we'll be looking at how to operate the camera. To set it up, you'll want to download the O-KAM PRO app. Once you've downloaded the app and set yourself up with a profile, we'll move on to the camera. Firstly, we want to turn the camera on by pressing and holding the on button. Once the camera is on, we need to reset to factory settings by pressing and holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Once the reset has happened, there'll be a light on the front that will alternate between blue and green. When those two lights are flashing, it means it's ready to connect. When we open the app, here on my app, it's coming up with the option, because the device is in the area, to just simply press connect and it will start the process.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to.
Now my phone and the app has discovered the camera. We have to go through and select the Wi-Fi we want the camera to connect to. We have to make sure though that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not the 5 gigahertz. So once you've selected your Wi-Fi and put in your password, press next, and it will give you the option just to confirm it. It might take a few minutes just to connect it all up together. Once the app and the phone and the camera are connected, it will give you the option to name the camera. So here we'll just select Office and press Get Started. It will then give you a prompt to place the camera and the phone next to each other in the area you want the camera. This is just to check the Wi-Fi in that area. So we'll just set it up here on the table, press Next, testing complete. It might take a few minutes if it's the first time you're doing this. Next, it just gives you a couple of options if you want notifications and motion detect switched on. They both automatically come switched on, and if you want to change it later on, you can just go through the settings anyway. So for now, we'll just press Get Started, and our camera is now connected. If we want to view the camera live, we just press play, and this is now live stream on the camera. We can go through the app to more, and this will let us change motion detect on or off. We can flip the camera upside down if we end up sticking it via the ceiling. So now it's the right way up again. We can also record directly to our phone whilst we're watching it. On this home page, we can have multiple cameras. So we sell these in packs. You can buy 1, 2, or 3 packs, and then you can add each camera, office, hallway, kitchen, for example, and they will all come up individually on your app. To turn off the device, to do it manually, you just press and hold the power button on the camera, or you can do it remotely via the app. What you might also want for the camera is an SD card. This will save all the footage directly to the card so you can review it later. The cards come separately, so you have to buy them on their own on the website. So the SD cards can be quite fiddly to insert. First, you need to make sure that you're holding it the right way around. This instance, the gold side to the camera face. Push it in until it clicks. If it doesn't click, just use something like a little screwdriver or a pin and push it in. To take the SD card out, you just need to push down. It'll pop back out because it's on a spring, and then pull out. If you have any other questions relating to the magnetic Wi-Fi camera, feel free to get in touch with our customer service team or follow the link below. Thank you.